Mockup motor is in. That's where she's going to set. You can see there, I'm pretty close on my bubble. I'll check it for side to side later, everything. Right now, I'm just getting her set in. So, I got that set. I'm looking down there at the stock motor mounts for the 312 that were right here. And then these were pedestals that the guy was making to put that 390 in to adapt it over to that. What I'll probably do is cut these off and I'll make a set with those E350 motor mounts. They're for a van, a Ford van. I keep trying to say Chevy. This is Ford, damn it. Anyway, the reason I keep saying that they're Chevy is because they really look like they came off of a Chevy. On the E-Series, on the van series, they use a different motor mount than what Ford is usually known for, you know, the Spear. So those are the ones I'm going to be using on this, so because they're a lot tighter and a lot smaller. If I was to use ones like, say, out of a F-150 or anything like that, those motor mounts are huge and they got a big rubber on them. They're vibration and sound dampener, that's what they are. This is a hot rod. I kind of want a little bit of that vibration and sound. Anyway, the van series ones are much tighter. Like I said, they look just like a small block Chevy motor mount with the one bolt that goes through and it's done. The rubber part mounts to the frame, and then the cradle mounts to the engine. So anyway, that's where I'm going with it. I'm gonna probably pull this out now, and now that I know it's gonna fit everything, I know all my clearances now. Like I said, I hit that intake manifold level really good there, and right now she's setting on weight too. There'll be a little bit more weight when I put the nose on it, so she'll come down just a little bit more, but that's pretty close. I found on these cars, if you're really concerned about hitting that dead nuts on, go on the frame. Right, let's see, there, turn that around. Stick your level on the frame right there and match the bubble to the carburetor. You don't have to hit the level, but as long as the bubbles are the same, in the same position in both spots, 9 times out of 10, after you get the car all assembled, the bumper, that heavy bumper on there and everything, your carburetor will lay right out level. I can't say for sure because I'm not a Ford designer, but I'm pretty sure they set that spot in the frame as level for the ride height level. Anyway, and this car it's going ride height level. Everything's going to get set up for that. Anyway, where am I at? I got the motor in, I got the mock-up in, so I got something done today in this freezing weather. You can see it's actually warmed up out here quite a bit with the stove going all day and that sun beating on that dark colored shop. That helps quite a bit. And the summertime, that's when you boil in here though. Anyway, you don't want to hear about all that. Let's get to the nuts and bolts and get the metal hot. That's where she's going to be. And of course, as always, I'm going to be really fighting around that steering box there. You see, what is that? No, it's a Ford 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's number 8. Number 8 is going to be tough. Always is. But I think I can squeeze around that. If not, I'll get me a header flange out of Speedway. They're like, well, I'm gonna quit quoting prices till I order it, because I'm watching them prices go up almost daily. So I'm gonna jump in the house, put in my order for a set of header flanges, and I'm gonna set it in my cart, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go out and grab the stock exhaust. I know on that van they really hug the block all the way down, because the van has got the steering box pretty close to the same spot, and it's a power steering, so they really wanted to get some clearance on that. So tomorrow I'm going to dig underneath that frozen motorhome in the frozen weather, dig them manifolds out of there. That's going to be fun. Yeah, let's undo exhaust manifolds off of a 77 that hasn't run in years. Don't you love this hot rod and stuff? Let's do it in the cold. All right, so that's where we're at on it. I did get some metal hot, and I'll give you one more last view of it. There we go. The mock-up motor is setting in there. If any of you are interested in doing a swap like this, that sump fits right in there. Plenty of clearance all the way around the stabilizer, and it rolls right nice around the original cross member there. Almost like it was meant to be there. And plenty of room in the back for the center link and all your tie rods and all that. Plenty good. I've already moved the wheel a couple of times. Nothing rubs. So I'm going to call it a night, and in the morning I'm going to dig those out, slap them on that side, slap them on this side, make sure I got all my clearances right, and then hopefully my motor mounts come in. I got a motor mount and a tranny mount coming, the new rubber ones, coming from O'Reilly's. They're supposed to be here in the morning. And once I get them, after I pull those exhaust manifolds off that, I got to get the steel cradle engine mount off of it too. So I can set that on there. Then I'd start with new rubber, new motor mounts, and I can set my heights perfect. Anyway, I know that's a whole lot of everything, but mock-up motor's in, and she's gonna fit and she's gonna run. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one. So in the meantime, keep the metal hot. And all you guys out there that are headed for the No Name Nationals, I'm a-coming, it's official. I done dropped the dime on it, so, and I told the wife this morning, shh, she doesn't know about the no names yet. She thinks we're going to Florida. We'll see y'all there.